Good morning. This morning I am putting together a crock pot meal. This is going to be pot roast with mushroom gravy. Doesn't that just sound delicious? In my crock pot I have red potatoes that are wedged. I have some celery, carrots, onions, fresh mushrooms, and now I'm going to place the roast on top of these vegetables. I did half of the vegetables and then I'm going to put the rest of them on top of the roast. In a bowl, I am mixing together a can of beef broth, mushroom gravy, and a pack of McCormick beef stew mix for the slow cooker. This doesn't say slow cooker on it, so I'm wondering if they grabbed me the wrong one, but it really doesn't matter. Stirring this together really good. I'm gonna pour it over the top of the roast and all those vegetables. And this is gonna cook on low and slow for the day. Now that dinner is cooking and out of the way, I can continue on with my day. I have a lot of things to accomplish today, but the first thing I'm going to show you is my meal plan. I'm keeping our meals very, very simple this week, just doing the basics. So for Monday, I'm going to have chili dogs. Tuesday is taco night, Taco Tuesday, but I'm going to have both hard shell and soft shell, and of course, anybody, like mostly me, I can make a taco salad too if I want, instead of just having tacos. And then manwich, oh, I love manwich. Spaghetti. Friday night I think is perfect for pizza night, so I'll probably just do some frozen pizzas. And then Saturday, because it's the weekend, I'm going to keep it simple with a crock pot meal, and I'm going to make the crock pot cube steak. I have a video on this and I will have it linked below. Sunday, we always eat out. I'm gonna quickly make up my bed. I don't always remember to make up my bed, but when I do, it just makes me feel better and it feels good getting into a made up bed at night.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
We live in a rental right now, and our back door is a full glass back door, and we wanted a shade, a curtain, something to go over this glass in the back door. We found this curtain on Amazon and it velcros. It has a couple little velcro tie-ups. I'll have it linked below because it velcros on the top of the door. It makes no holes, no nothing. And then the little tabs that hold up the curtain, those are also velcro. It is really neat. You just gather it up and then put the tabs over it and you have a cute little curtain all day, and it keeps the light out. I don't remember if it's a blackout curtain. It might be. Cooper sees me at the door. He's coming in. But we love the privacy that it gives, and we don't have to worry about leaving holes anywhere because we definitely don't want to do that in a rental. I need to give a little TLC to my coffee bar. Jason usually uses this every single morning. He grabs a cup of coffee and then heads out the door in his Yeti mug. And I see that the water is low on it. Plus I like to take this out and give it a really good scrub inside because it just gets dirty after a while. And I try to do that every week, if not every 2 weeks. That was Cooper making noises because he wants outside. Plus I keep coffee pods down in here, and I need to check that and refill them. And underneath of the coffee station, I have baskets set up with those coffee pods in it, so they're easy to grab to be able to refill the stand. I'll have the stand and the coffee linked below. And the machine that I use is an icoffee. I don't know if they even make them anymore. If they do, I'll link that below as well, but I really don't think that they make them anymore. Eventually, I would like to get an espresso coffee maker. I love how, well, number one, they use those round pods. I love that idea. And I also really like that you can leave the pods in there and then they flip into the back, and that's like the disposal of the pod. I just love that. There's many mornings that I'll get up and I'll go use the coffee machine, and Jason forgets and leaves one of his little coffee pods in there, which isn't a big deal, but still I always think of the Nespresso that I could flip it back in the back and just put my new one in there. I don't know. I just think it would be so cool. So I am looking around trying to get the best deal for one of those one day soon. At this house, we have a water softener, and we have filtered water through this faucet. So I'm gonna fill up the water for the coffee maker through the filtered water, and then that way it'll be extra clean. Maybe it'll keep this cleaner longer. That would be nice. There, it only took a few minutes and I have a clean coffee pot. Coffee is filled up and waiting for him for next week, so that is done. Now I am headed into the laundry room because we need clean clothes for this week. Laundry is in the washer, so that is good. I'm gonna take my basket back to my bedroom. All right, I have a couple of stores that I want to go to really quickly, and these items that I'm picking up will just help complete my meals for the week. I need meats and just some odds and ends, things that I couldn't find at Walmart. First, we are headed right into H-E-B. Next stop, Sam's Club. That was a successful store run to both stores. So also it was slower in the store right now, so it's definitely a good time to go. We got to remember that. We're gonna head home and I'll show you what we got. This is the Sam's Club haul. So we got some cube steak. That is running $18.34 for the pack. The boys spotted this. It's a pork tender bites. It's barbecue. And then they got a couple bags of the steak strips. We needed some more of the Black Forest ham. We're completely out of that. Got some more bottled water. We got a pack of 90-10 burger. That is, for the whole thing, it's $36.36. At H-E-B, they are carrying these Kodiak cups. I am not finding them anywhere else between Target and Walmart. So I was pretty excited, so I grabbed a few different kinds. This one is a double dark chocolate muffin. Never seen that before. And I've never seen this one before either. This is an almond poppy seed muffin. Yum. And then my favorite is the brownie Kodiak cup. Oh, if you spot this in your grocery store, try it. It is so good. You will thank me. I am really enjoying the Fairlife chocolate. This is the 26. You can also get them in like 30, I think 32, and they also have, I think, 15s out there. But these are really super good. It's like drinking chocolate milk, but you're getting your protein. Needed some candles because I swear I never remember candles ever until the birthday's here, and then, yeah. So Jason's birthday's coming up, Tim's birthday's coming up, my birthday's coming up. We already had Justin's and I forgot his candles, poor guy. But anyway, that is our haul. Look at that, they're all stacked up. So I have one of the pancakes, I have the brownies, and then the muffins are in the back. Those make such good snacks. And then I put the jerky here. I probably, oh no, my crock pot goes there. Never mind. I was saying I probably should set it up there, but my crock pot goes there and I'm using the crock pot. The burger is in the refrigerator and I'm gonna split that up. I keep a couple bottles of the Fairlife right in the door, and then when I'm needing a little something running out the door and I'm hungry for lunch or breakfast, I can just grab one and go. Next, I want to empty out this dishwasher. I don't know if you've seen inside the dishwasher, have you? Okay, so on this one, the silverware drawer is here, or, you know, to stack the silverware, and then it has two open shelves to put everything in, so that's a pretty good feature. Now on our last one, the silverware holder was here on the side, so it took up the bottom rack a little bit when stacking dishes. So I think that's pretty cool about this dishwasher. And it just clips right in, right on the back of it. It's pretty neat. All right, so I have the dishes all stacked up in there.
Go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear, 'cause who cares if you might mess it up, just shine.
I have the laundry switched and it's drying in the dryer. I am tired. It is 3 o'clock and I'm done. I am happy with everything that I got finished. I figured I'd sit out here on the porch, enjoy this gorgeous weather, and talk to you for a minute. So we have been house hunting and we spent one day over last weekend all day long from 11 in the morning until 5 o'clock at night looking at houses with a realtor, and she's amazing. Wow, she's amazing. We couldn't have asked for a better realtor. She took all of our list of things that we were looking for and we just went on a massive house hunt. It was crazy. It was a long day, but it was a lot of fun. And the weather was super nice, so that worked in our favor too. But we ended up at the very end of the day, we had just a few left to go look at, and we found one that met everything that we were looking for. I mean, everything and then some that we were looking for. So that is something that we are in the process of doing. We're kind of seeing, you know, all of the things that go with the house, what we want, can we have things, and just, you know how it is when you're buying a house. But I will keep you posted on it, and I will let you know if that's the exact house that we end up going with. Cooper loves the weather down here, and he loves his little yard. He lays out here all the time. He enjoys the sunshine. Right now he's in the shade because it's a little warmer this afternoon, but it is so gorgeous. Justin and Timothy decided today, because it's beautiful, they wanted to go to 7-Eleven. So they're going there to get, I think they were getting a Slurpee, and they're going to Sonic really quick and get me an iced tea, which, oh, I'm so grateful for, because an iced tea sounds really good right now. I'm really happy that I have dinner is done. I don't have to think about it. So this afternoon I am going to relax. I will probably work on editing this video. And if you enjoyed this style of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope this motivated you to get yourself set up for the week ahead. Looking for more videos to watch? These are my 2 latest videos. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.